Not happy with Instagram's business or creator accounts? Or maybe you're just tired of all those extra settings, or just want to keep things simple? No worries, in this super quick guide, I'll show you step by step how to switch back to a personal account in just 1 minute. Let's get started. First, open your Instagram app and tap your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Now hit the 3 lines at the top right corner and then come down to the bottom and select Business Tools and Controls from the menu. Now tap Switch Account Type and you'll see 2 options, Switch to Personal Account and Switch to Creator Account. Go ahead and select Switch to Personal Account and then Instagram will ask you to confirm it. Just hit Switch to Personal Account again and you're done. That's it, back to a personal account again. No more business insights, ads, or extra settings, just pure, simple Instagram. If this helped, drop a like, hit subscribe for more tech tutorials, and let me know in the comments if you have any questions. I'll see you in the next one.